At Fleetio, we understand the importance of keeping your fleet running smoothly. That's why we've integrated with Verizon to offer you a comprehensive telematics-driven maintenance solution. Fleets love Verizon Connect for its connectivity, scalability, and seamless ecosystem. But what if you could extend that ecosystem to consolidate your data and refine your fleet maintenance process? Combining Verizon Connect's telematics with Fleetio's maintenance management means all your key data is in one place, enabling real-time access to data like odometer readings, fault codes, and vehicle locations that you can then leverage into a more strategic fleet maintenance approach. In Fleetio, data from Verizon Connect lets you predictively monitor vehicle health and performance based on the metrics tracked by your telematics devices, so you can intercept downtime before it happens, extend your vehicle's lifespan, and keep a closer eye on your total cost of ownership. Verizon Connect sends telematics data like odometer readings and fault codes straight to Fleetio, where you can then create custom inspection forms, automate service reminders, and maintain a maintenance schedule optimized to assets' specific needs. Meaning you get to resolve issues faster and never miss a preventive service. Syncing Verizon Connect and Fleetio cuts down on manual data entry and gives you a complete view of your fleet's health at a glance, making it easier to make smart decisions that are informed by robust data sources. Discover how Verizon Connect and Fleetio can improve your maintenance management and lower your operating costs. Visit fleetio.com/integrations to learn more.